In this video, we will be showing how to fix and replace a Hoop Fever basketball gate. If you hear the motor turning, but the gate doesn't open and close, it might be a very simple fix. There's a decent chance that just the two set screws need to be tightened. To do that, you need to move this motor protection box. There's a good chance you're not the first person to work on this machine made in the 1900s, so there might not be the original hardware everywhere, but there's a decent chance that it's right here is 6 square bit screws. Remove the 3 screws here and on the other side. Once the box is removed, you can try just tightening these 2 set screws here. I believe the originals should be 1024 Allen screws. This particular machine has been retapped with larger screws, so rather than do that again, we're just going to replace the gate. If tightening these set screws only fixes the problem for a short period of time to get yourself a new gate. If we're replacing the gate, we'll get ourselves back to this point, but come over to the left side of the gate. These 2 nuts right here should be 7/16. Once these nuts and washers are removed, this plate slides up the shaft of the gate, and the whole gate should slide off the motor shaft. Here's a picture of the original gate and the new gate side by side. The new one's a little bit of an upgrade. The motor now shouldn't be held on by anything, and it's probably best to align this flat part of the motor shaft right here with the new set screws first. Once the motor and gate are properly secured, go ahead and make sure you've transferred the mounting plate to the new gate and put the motor back in its place. Now slide the plate back over its bolts and resecure everything. Don't forget to make sure you put the motor cover back on. Now your game should be working again. Time for cleanup. Hope this was helpful. Feel free to ask questions in the comments.